Ms Legalista here. Thank you for joining the video. Look, the math here in terms of scammers trying to get over now on class action lawsuits. And some of you may be wondering, well, that doesn't really matter to me that they're scamming, people, companies, scamming companies that owe people money for lawsuits. But yeah, it does matter because it's actually taking money away from the people who deserve it. And I'm going to give you a really good example in terms of car seat. There was a lawsuit a while back in regards to some car seat. In any case, this is the company that apparently didn't disclose some information about these child car booster seats. And so they entered into this settlement agreement. They were going to pay $50 to people who bought the Chico brand seats. They settled this case last year. This was a class action. Well, here are the number of sales that they thought they had. 875,000. Let's do the math here. 875,000. Remember that number. Let me tell you how many people submitted claims for that $50. 3.3 million. 3.3 million people. And I'm going to do the math here because, that's a large number. 3.3 million people filed claims to get this $50 settlement for these child booster seats, claiming that they bought them. But the company only sold 875,000 of them. So I have to do the math here. Almost 2.5 million. It's 2,443,000 possible fraudulent claims filed. And the thing about it is, it takes the money away from the people who actually deserve it. I want to give you another example. Juul settlement. You remember Juul, right? The manufacturer of the smoking, whatever the thing is. Well, there was a class action settlement because they didn't tell people about the addictive nature of this product. And there was a $45.5 million settlement. Again, a lot of money, way more than the child baby booster seat, right? 14 million claims. And their estimate is that 80% of those claims are false. Here's why I think this is significant. First of all, we already know a lot of the money goes to the attorneys. Okay, let's just get that off the table. But the thing about it is going to make it harder for parties to come together and have a settlement agreement in place if they feel like the people who were supposed to get the money aren't going to be the ones to get the money. We're going to see where this goes. But yes, taking car seat money, that's a total new one. But this is giving you an overview of what class action lawsuit settlements are starting to look like, moving toward more fraud and fewer valid claims that are going to be approved and able to get through. So there you have an update on that. Let me know your thoughts. Did you have one of these car seats? Had you submitted a claim? Were you thinking you were going to get your $50 back so you could go get a new car seat, and all of a sudden you found out this is on hold? All right, let me know in the comments. Hope this increases your information about what's going on in the scam, fraud, class action, lawsuit, trying to help you out with consumer products world. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace.